Hey guys, welcome back to the garage, and today's video, we're back working on the Mustang.
Alright, so while Anthony was inside getting ready, I went ahead and took the front end off, which is sitting right here.
The removable.
Yes, the removable front end. Ooh, fancy. So today we're going to make this engine bay all one color and not look like the mess that it is. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to do, sand all of this down, and then we'll start with some primer.
I also have to do all the sides because they have so a lot of rust on them.
Yeah, we probably need to clean up stuff like this too.
Yeah.
All of the pointy bits that are probably going to slice your fingers open. So, body work first.
We picked up this grease and wax remover. We'll hit that first with the engine bay and then the sides, and then we'll come through with this tack cloth to finish it up. Spray it with some helium promoter and go from there. So I guess let's get started with this. Alright guys, so after getting it all prepped, we tag teamed it with the pretty much like a Nardo type gray. It's an industrial strength rust protector, so it will hopefully help control any more rust on here. We do have a few more spots to patch up on the outside, but we'll take care of that later. Next up is going to be the black. So this is just a Rust-Oleum professional black, nothing too crazy.
This is not a professional paint job. This is a make it one color paint job.
It is professional. It says it on the can. So I'm going to go ahead and prep these cans, and then I guess we'll jump back on it, and this will be black again.
Make Anthony's car black again.
Alright, so it is the next day, guys. I went ahead and picked up some Krylon Fusion all-in-one sealer for the engine bay. It's a little, it's been curing for a little over 24 hours now, so time to hit it with this. Alright guys, so clear coat is on. I've had it curing for about a week, so it's a bit dusty, but other than that, it looks really good. There's not much more to do. We've already started putting all the stuff back in its place. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and install the engine. That's going to be our next video, so make sure you're subscribed. Go ahead and like this video. Let us know what you think about the whole project coming along. This is where the 302 is heading, so that's going to be a little bit of an update in another video. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.